Hello everyone, my name's Amir and welcome to today's video. Now today is all about the VW California, an amazing, impressive van and one that has so many features, this could be an hour-long video. But today we're going to be focusing on the install we've carried out, which is installing the Thinkware U1000 dash camera. An amazing bit of kit and one that we are installing all the time here at CBS Automotive and one we love using just because it is such an amazing dash camera. The camera quality, ease of use, and actual physical unit is one of the best out there on the market and is unrivaled. Now, the Thinkware U1000 camera is an amazing solution. This client opted to go for the 2-channel option. So that is a front camera and a rear camera, all fully hardwired in, no dangling cables anywhere, everything is neatly and professionally installed behind the scenes. So the front camera on this U1000 is a 4K unit, providing really clear and crisp camera quality, allowing you to capture any moment that happens while you're driving. The U1000 also has an enhanced night vision, really getting you able to capture number plates in those low light conditions where other cameras can struggle. The U1000 actually excels in it. It's one of my favorite features of this particular camera. Now, in this camera, you have that feature on the front and rear cameras. Again, rear is really important to have really good low light capability, where you've got bright lights around it. Capturing number plates can sometimes be difficult, but the U1000 does an amazing job. Now, these cameras come with an amazing storage, and what it does is actually it continuously overwrites itself. So if there's any old footage in the system, it will delete that for you without you ever having to touch it. Most people go their whole lives without ever interacting with their Thinkware. However, if the moment does come, the app is so easy to use. I can't stress this enough. The Thinkware app is one of the best on the market. Easy to use, doesn't make you really stressed out in a stressful situation. You can download your footage really easily. Now, on the app, you have so many sections. Now, my favorite bit is where it characterizes and separates out the different bits of footage. You've got continuous, which is just as you're driving, continuous incident, which is where it takes advantage of its G sensor in the camera to let you know and separate out any incident footage where it thinks it's been in an accident. Again, just making it easier for you on the side of the road if you're ever in that panic situation where you've had a car accident. So now we've gone over the front camera and a little bit about the app, we'll move on to the optional extras that most people add on to their cameras, and that would be a parking battery. Now, if you've never heard of what that is or know what that is, I'll just give you a brief explanation and how it might help you. So the parking battery allows these cameras to keep recording even when you turn this car off. So it seems if I turn this car off, I go into the shops, I go into my house, I'm away from the vehicle. With the parking battery, I'm still going to be protected by my camera. If anything were to happen to my car or van while I'm not with it, I will know about it when I come back to my car. I'll have footage of it and it will again separate that out on the app as a parking incident. Again, making it seamless, easy to use and find your footage really, really well. This is an amazing security upgrade and one that I would recommend anyone to have driving around this year. It is so important. There are so many scams going around and it also does potentially help reduce your insurance premiums and everyone loves that. Now, in terms of other security upgrades, a lot of the time what we're adding to vehicles with dash cameras are things like ghost immobilizers, trackers, steering locks, and the Faraday cage boxes as well that we sell. So if you're interested in any of those other projects, do let us know and we'll find the right solution for your vehicle and yourself. Now, if you're interested in dash cameras, we do offer a wide range of Thinkware cameras from the Q200, the U3000 as well as a Blackview range with the DR970X and the 770X as well. Now, there's a wide range of dash cameras and we stock those so that we can find the right solution for your car. And obviously everything's different, so we might need different options for your vehicle. And by coming into us here at CBS Automotive, we can help find the right solution. Now, if you've enjoyed today's video on this lovely VW California, please let me know by hitting that subscribe button and like the video as well. And if you're able to comment what video you'd like to see on the channel next and what car you'd like to feature, please do let me know down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now, I hope you've enjoyed today's video and I'll see you in the next one.